Wondering what actually happens after you make or accept an offer on a home in Sarnia? Let's walk through the real estate deal step by step. Hi, I'm Mac Mallon from Blue Coast Realty. From the moment an offer is signed to the day you receive the keys, there are several important stages that buyers and sellers need to understand. It all starts with the offer. This includes the price, conditions, deposit amount, and the closing date. Once accepted, the buyer pays a deposit, usually within 24 hours, and that money is held in trust. Next come the conditions. This could be a home inspection, financing, or the sale of another home. Once all conditions are met, the buyer formally waives them and the deal becomes firm. Then it's over to the lawyers. They handle the title search, property taxes, and paperwork. If you're buying with a mortgage, they'll also coordinate with your lender. Leading up to closing, buyers arrange moving details, confirm insurance, and book a final walkthrough. Sellers ensure the home is cleaned out and ready to go. On closing day, funds are transferred, the title is registered, and the buyer gets the keys, usually from their lawyer. It's a straightforward process, but the key is having the right team on your side. If you're planning to buy or sell in Sarnia, Blue Coast Realty Brokerage is here to help guide you from offer to keys and every step along the way.